How to know who likes you on Bumble. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to know who likes you on Bumble. To get started, let's open Bumble app. Make sure you have already installed Bumble app on your mobile device. This is your home page. Now here, click on the heart icon. Here you can see the people who are interested in you. This is now blur because you haven't bought premium. To get premium, you need to buy it. So this is how you can see who likes you, who are interested in you. There is different package. You can either take it for 1 week, 1 month or 1 year. You can choose as you required. So this is how you can get premium. This is how you can see who are interested on you and who likes your profile. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.